Alright guys, so I got some parts in today. It was just a few of them. So I got a new airbox for the Predator because this one, I know that the top piece had a little crack somewhere, but then on the back, for whatever reason, someone ended up putting these bolts through the back of it, and they screwed the license plate to it too. And then, I know you guys can't see it, but there's a crack right here that goes all the way down. And then once I take it out, I can show you guys more. One of the brackets also fell off and whatnot, so this one's a little bit cleaner. And then it's also got both of those plugs on it too. So I'm gonna take this one off and then show you guys the comparison. Alright guys, so I got the airbox pulled out of there. I already have a brand new carburetor duct, or air duct. But so here's the old one. So yep, it's missing that tab off of there, from up there. And then if you guys look at the front of it, well, you guys can see right there and right there. So I don't know if there was a hole in it before or whatnot, but this thing has been pretty beat up, and I don't know, I just wanted to get a new one. And then you guys can see the crack back there too, so just felt like replacing it. Probably will still keep it around in case, I don't know, whatever happens, guys. It's not horrible, but it's just this one's better. So gonna have to clean out those plugs, and then maybe wipe it out, give it a quick little clean, and then put my filter in there and put it back on. Oh, and then also this one, that's what was up with it. Not too bad. I know most people wouldn't care about this, but you know, just wanted to get that changed out. So I saw this one wasn't a bad price, so I figured why not. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and put back in there. Alright guys, so I got the airbox all installed up in it with my K&N filter back in this one, and got it all bolted down. I still got to do something about the bolt over here because it was broken in the frame, and I didn't feel like taking it out because I was in a hurry to get it painted, and then I don't know, so I don't know, I might try and get that out still. Otherwise, this thing's just gonna be moving around, I guess. But yep, it's bolted in there and all good to go. And so now I'm gonna start wire wheeling this stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a good old little before action here. I'm gonna try and tape off this sticker so I can save it. I mean, it's not the greatest, but you know, it's still, you know, just a little faded right here, but I don't know, see if I can clean it first and see how it looks. But there's that, and then this one. So I'm gonna get to cleaning that stuff. Alright, so I got this one cleaned up. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a comparison. Just cleaned up nice. I even got in there and everything. Came real clean. So I think I'm just gonna keep them like that. Cause I think that would look good. Just because, you know, I still got the knuckles, the tie rods, the radiator and the motor, and then the Nerf bars and the wheels, and then, you know, the shocks. So I think really the next step is just to keep cleaning up this stuff, because, you know, clean up the Nerf bar, cleaning up the steering box. Next should be the calipers and these. Just keep on making it look better and shining it up. And then definitely gonna want to shine up the motor and then the radiator, hopefully. So yeah, that's gonna look really good in there. Can't wait till it's all cleaned up. Especially this piece. If it turns out as good as this, then definitely gonna be happy about that, because I don't know, like I would probably do black, but I already got the black control arms, bumper, steering column, so it's nice to have this for a change again, instead of going fully painted. So gonna keep on working away at that. All right, so started cleaning up the center one too. I taped off the sticker. The tape took a little bit more off of it, but I don't know, I think it still looks all right. Looks really good on camera actually, but it's definitely weathered, so I don't know, I think it'll look good still. So yeah, cleaned up the top, the sides, the bottom, and then just gotta go over the back. I don't know, you won't really see it too much, but I'm gonna clean it up. Just do a quick clean on it with, there it is, one of these Scotch pads, I think they're called. And then still got this one. And so I got this one all cleaned up nicely. And then now time to clean up the back of this, and then move on to this one. And then not sure when the bearings are gonna be in exactly, but then it'll be completely ready to go. So I'm keep on working on that. Alright guys, so here it is. Got these all cleaned up. They're looking really nice. They actually turned out really good too. The back of this kind of cleaned up. I don't know. You won't really see that, so didn't really try too hard, but just a quick clean. And then these actually didn't take too long to clean. They weren't too bad. I just wiped up these links, and then now just gonna wait for the bearings to come in, and then I can get the bearings installed and get this back up in the front end, and then I could get the front end back together, and then that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, and maybe we'll get some more parts to come in. Alright guys, so tonight we're gonna be doing this clutch cable, getting this all painted up. And I finally got the axle clip for the Kawasaki, so I'll be tightening up the rear end for that. And then I got lug nuts to put on it, and then hand grips. And then I'm gonna be finishing the other Nerf bar for this, and just cleaning up stuff. Probably gonna clean up the plastics for the Kawasaki, and just get everything cleaned up, and start getting stuff put together. So this should be the last thing that I need for the rear end, and then I can put the wheels on it and have that thing almost ready to go. So alright guys, so back to the Predator, because the Kawasaki, I'm still figuring things out with it. I did order OEM exhaust for it though, to see if that fixes my tuning problem. But anyways, back to the Predator. So I got the net off of this side, and now it's time to clean this up. I'll probably do that tomorrow though. And then, yes, I know I still gotta clean this hub up to paint it, but guys, I'm gonna do that tomorrow because it's gonna be above freezing tomorrow. And then I can pull this stuff out because I mean it's dark out and it's cold out, so then I could pull that stuff out of the garage. And then guys, I also really want to paint the plastics tomorrow. That is my goal, because I got word that the seat cover and the graphics kit got shipped out. They're all made and shipped out and in the mail, so so that's coming this week. So if I can get those plastics painted up and have everything ready. But also, I don't really want to rush it in case things don't work out tomorrow, because I want those to turn out good. I don't want just, a quick paint job, whatnot, because I still want it to look really good. Even though I am getting a graphics kit, so if I have some bad spots, guys, I can just cover it up. But I still want it to turn out really nice. So that's the whole deal with that. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But back to this. I also want to clean up the radiator, make another like mount for this because the ear is broken off and that one's also broken. So get a mount so that it actually mounts up right back here again. And then I can have my tail light on there for good. And once the hub's painted, I can get the back tires back on it. Still waiting to hear from the place I bought the bearings from, to hear that they got shipped out. I also got some Kawasaki parts coming from them, so that's all kind of on hold. So the next is the handlebars. And so I want clean this lever up because you can see how shiny that one is. I want to clean this one up and try and get this one to shine like that other one. So I'm just going to wire wheel that. And then I want to paint this because that looks like crap. And paint that too. And then I got to get everything off of these bars so I can get the new bars on there because my new bars, I needed to get shims to fit in this stem. I don't know what you'd want to call it, but fit in there. The shims are coming on Monday, so I'll be able to put that on, and so I'll be working on that. I think I'm going to start on it tonight. Not sure. I'm for sure going to pull these grips off and all that stuff. And then I got a tune-up kit coming for this. So guys, I might just change the oil again because it was leaking from this side. And I want to make sure that it's not the seal in here. I mean, it's a very slow leak. Oh, no, okay, that might just be coolant from doing the radiator hoses. Got a little scared there. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to put a new filter in there because the last time I changed the oil on this, I just reused the filter because I didn't have one. And I got a filter and a spark plug coming. And then I also got a fuel valve coming. I forgot about that because if you guys look, like I'm on this side of it and I can see it. I wasn't paying attention when I ordered it. You're supposed to do it from this side. As you guys can see, that's completely wrong. You're supposed to be able to turn it from over here. And so I got one of those coming. Plus that one looked like it had a little bit of fuel on it. So I don't know what the deal is with that. But I'm getting a new one anyways. So I'll have the tank off doing that. And then I can do the spark plug too, so knock them both out. And then that is, I think, about it. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I have coming for this. So guys, just be looking forward to me getting everything ready and done because this is going to look insane. If you guys thought it looked good before, just wait until its final form. I'm telling you guys, it's definitely gonna be something else. Like, I'm lost for words trying to think of it, but like, this thing is gonna look really good once it's done. Like, it already looks good, don't get me wrong. Like, this thing looks sick, but with the plastics actually done and the seat covering graphics kit, oh, and the handlebars, guys, you're in for a treat.